to just go ahead and get to our questions. Again, our topic this week is fighting the insurance company. I don't even know if I said that, but the topic this week is fighting the insurance company. And we're going to take our next question here. And the question is, why should you talk to a lawyer instead of dealing directly with the insurance company? Won't that just make things take longer and cost money that you don't have?
Well, I think generally you're probably going to wind up getting more money even in your pocket after paying a lawyer, is what the studies have shown. The other reason is I'm assuming that most of the people that get injured and try to represent themselves in a car wreck have never done that before. And it can be such a overwhelming process. And especially once you start negotiating and they start throwing out buzzwords like, well, you're not out of pocket this, your health insurance paid that. Well, yeah, but you've got to pay your health insurance back. And if we went to trial, the insurance company wouldn't even get to use that fact because it's called the collateral source rule. So that's one trick that they'll use. Other things are they'll say there's not a lot of visible property damage. We're going to talk about that a little later. All these different buzzwords to try to whittle your claim down. The other thing is they got a database. They know what they paid on a broken arm in Rankin County from 1950 to 2022, but you don't. And so it's important to find a lawyer that's had experience against these companies to know in general what the cases and claims are worth. That case is probably not worth $1 million, but it might be worth 250. It might be worth 350. They're not going to offer you that at first. They're going to offer you 70. They'll go up to 85. They might get to 95 and then say, we're never paying anything else. I know that's not true. Mike, you know that's not true. But if you don't do hundreds or thousands of these cases, you really don't know. And it's just not fair to do that to yourself.
Hey, Rocky, and I would add this too. The insurance companies, and they have these adjusters, they contact the injured party before attorneys are involved, and they're nice to them. They butter them up and they want to inquire and they want as much information as they can get. But look, at the end of the day, they are building a case against you from the moment an accident happens until the moment it settles or resolves. They are building that case against you. So be really careful. If you try to test the waters without an attorney, be careful with what you say. Don't sign medical releases, and understand that insurance company is no friend of you. That is
and do not give a statement. Do not give a written or recorded statement. Now, if it's your insurance company, you may have to cooperate, but see, you need to talk to a lawyer to know the difference there, because I've never had an opposing insurance company allow me to take a statement of their client. So what does that tell you? They're trying to get something one up on you, and it's just not fair.